Okay, everyone, I'm teaching you a strategy and build, defend against the slimes. I don't know, revenge of the slimes, I think that's what it's called. Oh, you're just gonna drink this potion and then get a gravity coil and jump over them. I made this nice row, so if I miss a jump, it's not that bad. I'm gonna go a little bit ahead. Look how repetitious this is. Whoop. And then you can like run away and you'll be just as fast, maybe faster than the slimes. But you're jumping over them. Why do you need to be faster? Oh well, this one will cost about 50. So you're gonna want to nuke stuff. It's very effective in getting money. Now why like okay, now we're experiencing lag. Jump! I don't know why I'm experiencing lag from a Roblox game. My legs. Oh well, next you're gonna want to circle. This server is being very slow. Oh well, you can circle to also know random like typhoon ones come after you. Oh well. And that's basically how to survive each and every single round. You just jump over it with these two tools, and then make a circle wall. So they can't get you. No weird ones can get you. Sometimes when lag hits, join a different server. It's only 50 gold, and nuke covers half of that. So you just need to play 2 waves. Oh, well, that's how. I don't know. How to survive.